Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Going through some of the stuff from Ken's hangar, we came across a stack of new old stock Grumman Owner Manuals from across the board. I mean, we have cheetahs, we have tigers. We're going to show them all to you. We also have some airplane manuals. Again, this is all from Ken's stuff back when we moved it here back in the day, so stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So as we saw in the opening, this is a cheetah manual, the AA5A Owner's Manual by Grumman-American. This is new old stock. They were available in a couple of different versions. You had the glossy ones like this. They also had the ones in matte paper, and they came in colors blue and yellow. And back in the day, they were $4 when our aircraft were new. Here's a used one from out of Ken's stuff. I'm just going to hang on to that. He also had the Century 2B Automatic Flight System Pilot Operating Manual. He had 3 of those by Ender Air. So 3 new old stock autopilot manuals. So some of you have the Century 2B in your aircraft, and if you don't have a new old stock manual, give me a call. I've got a bunch of them. And then we had the manual for the trailer. That's one in matte paper. Now here's another glossy one for the Tiger, the Alpha 5 Bravo, and the Tiger. I mean, nobody ever got an AA5B. They all opted for the Tiger options, both yokes and all the other stuff that we've talked about before. And then here's a whole thing on all the avionics that Indo-Air makes for aircraft. It's a whole bunch of manuals in there. Just show you which ones they have. Ken also had a Cessna 310 F Series 1961 manual and a 1968 Cessna 150 owner's manual as well, if you've got one. And then finally, here's one in matte paper for the AA5 or the Traveler. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed looking at this back into Ken's stash stuff and some new old stock manuals from when our airplanes were new. Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.
You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.